Hi guys, so we just made it to Florida. This is my first time. Let me take my mask off so you guys can hear me. This is my first time here in Florida, so I'm really excited. I'm hoping tomorrow is my daughter's birthday, so we're gonna be celebrating for a few days, and yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog it a little bit, and hopefully I do a good job vlogging and get some good footage. But yeah, this is my first time in Florida, so I'm really excited. I've been here before, but just on the airport. It was like a stop on my way to somewhere else. So yeah, it's my first time here, so I'm like really excited. So let's have some fun, guys. So this is the inside of the resort, you guys, where you check in and stuff. So we just finished checking in, and now we're on our way to the villa. I gotta do a tour of this villa. It's beautiful. You got an upstairs. You ready? I love it. So this room has 2 beds, and you got a closet and a bathroom right here. When you come through that little door, put on the light. I love it, you guys. Oh, look at the shower, the toilet. Okay. So this is the door back to the bedroom right here. You got your closet over here. And the kitchen, when you come through this door, you could go upstairs. I'll show you guys upstairs soon. The kitchen. This is the door to enter. It's beautiful. So this is the second bedroom. The girls is in here, and this one has a bathroom as well.
Look at this.
The safe.
It's so beautiful. Oh.
And a closet for this room.
Yeah.
This is the bathroom.
Yeah.
The shower.
Oh, this looks so pretty.
Toilet.
Here.
I love this. Beautiful.
Okay, I have to use the bathroom. Me too. Beautiful.
Sorry. There's my video.
Mom.
Yes.
Come.
Do you have I need to put your information in.
This is the balcony. Let's go upstairs. So this is the bedroom upstairs. Got your TV, your dresser. There's 2 beds up here. Beautiful.
Oh yeah, it's 10.
So our first night here at the resort, you guys, we decided to go not very far, about 3 minutes from the resort, to eat dinner. But there are restaurants on the resort. You don't have to leave the resort to eat. There's an Italian restaurant there. There's Starbucks. They also have an ice cream spot. And there's also a bar and restaurant type
thingy going on. They have a lot of options here that to eat. Okay, so you don't have to leave the resort, but if you choose to, there's this very long strip right outside of the resort with a multitude of restaurants you can choose from if you decide to leave. And like I said, Walmart is right across from the resort, so you can cook as well if you'd like. So after we ate dinner, we went to the Walmart close to the resort to stock up on some snacks and food for the house for the days we were gonna be there, okay? Because you want to get some stuff to drink and, you know, snacks and so on.
Alright, so we're going to Walmart. Midnight Walmart run.
Let's see what we can find.
To get some food.
Yep, we need some food. We have. There's no food in dollars, so
No way, this shit is $1. This $1. Wow. Okay, Florida. We're in the liquor. This is the liquor.
alright, we got the snacks. Time for the food. Tall enough to stand on 5 feet.
We in the air. We don't have no real weight compared to the wind up here. It's stronger than
Okay guys, so that's basically it for the tour of our villa where we stayed. Right now, this is just a little setup I did for my daughter for her birthday. We did like a little pizza night. We bought pizzas, chicken wings, and we just had a good night with her birthday cake. And yeah, I just set up the house a little bit and she enjoyed herself. The trip was amazing. So for the rest of this video, I'm gonna be showing you clips of some of the things we did. We went to the pool multiple times while we was there. We also went to the game room of some of the restaurants on the resort, and as well as the water park. I visited it once while I was there, and yeah, you guys, it was an amazing trip. I will try to list some of the activities that's available on the resort, because like I said, I didn't get to do everything that's on the resort. This resort is extremely big. There's lots to choose from for you and your family to do, lots of games to play and so on. So I will list some of it that's available here for you guys, and you can keep watching the video to see clips and pics of some of the things we did while we were there. We arrived on Thursday evening and we left Sunday night. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you do, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Also, I have to mention, I got to try Waffle House for the first time and I loved it. Seriously, why don't the East Coast have a Waffle House? It's not here. But anyways, yeah, you guys, I'll see you in my next vlog.
And now I watch the hair.
Bring that heat. Bring it
Down
down.
to the circuit. What are you doing?
I said 7 o'clock bedtime. No ice cream.
Wait.
No food for
in our swimsuit and we're swimming. It's a hot tub, which you will love to get to.
It's a hot day.
So, when we weren't here, it was really cold.
It was amazing.
It
It was a perfect time.
It was warm.
I truly
Not even
appreciate
warm.
it.
It was like cool. I hated it.
Yes, babe.
And now it's just right. Okay, so there's another pool over there, but it's cold.
No, right there. Are we not there yet? Oh.
That is it for my video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.